Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're not working on this guy. We're doing something a little different today. We're gonna restore this guy. So this came out of a CX-7. Pretty much had the same engine as Mazdaspeed3. All-wheel drive as well. The only difference is that it's automatic. Well, this car was from New York, and you can tell all the bolts are rusted, and it's got a lot of I guess that's from the salt that they used to melt the snow away. It's pretty bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and give it some paint. Alright, now comes the worst part. I gotta clean it up. Alright, so you can see I got as much as I could with the grinder and the wire wheel, but that just won't, it can't get to the small area, so it's looking pretty clean already. That's the underside. It's looking like a brand new all cover. So yeah, for these tie areas I'm just gonna get a wire brush like this one and just do it by hand as much as I can. Alright, I think this is pretty clean. So I already went ahead and washed it. So next up is we're gonna grease and wax remover one more time, because the detergent sometimes is not enough. So I use this product, Prepol. Just go all over with a clean microfiber towel, and that's it. You're ready to tape everything that you don't want painted and spray it. Alright, so it's dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off all the tape. That's it. This came out pretty awesome. It's not quite wrinkled like a powder coat, but pretty good considering it didn't cost me more than $20 in supplies.